Today I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken thighs on the PitBoss. Follow along. Buddy of mine told me about this pig's ass rub, and this is like the best seasoning we've found. So I just put them on a cookie sheet. These are boneless, skinless. I try to season them a couple hours before I do my cooking, but you can just do it right before. But I think the seasoning is better if you do it earlier. Just put it on there pretty good. Flip them, of course. Everything covered real good. I'm gonna put these back in the fridge until probably, I don't know, 4 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock right now. Just let those marinate. Here's our PitBoss. This is kind of a medium-sized one. So I'm gonna show you the startup. Hit on. I actually turn it to smoke, so we're on the second setting. Hit on. That actually tells you what the temp is. Also, you need to open your lid up. Open your lid up. And then I pull out my damper, open my damper up. I gotta clean this out sometime here shortly. So it's, I'll kind of check the time and tell you how long it takes for the smoke to get rolling. You also need to hold your prime down, and that speeds up your auger. I have the P setting, which is your smoke setting. The higher your P, the more smoke. I have it set at 4, which is kind of mid-range, and I hold my prime down for about 30 seconds. So it's been about 6 minutes. We're finally getting good smoke, and eventually those pellets will ignite from the igniter down there. And that is a part that does go out on these. You'll have to replace it. It's not too difficult. We have torn this unit all the way down and had to fix the auger. It was over greased and wasn't working. So these aren't too hard to repair if you just take your time and take them apart. Yeah, we're getting about ready to ignite up. You can see it down in there. So now that we've got flame going down in there, I'll shut the lid and give it about 10 minutes to warm up. Set this up. We'll set our temp up to 350 and we'll come back. So we're up to 375 and we're gonna close this up. Cleaning real quick. We want to throw our chickens on. Switch to this side. Out of the smoke. So the center's the hottest spot, so I kind of stay out of that. I want to let this cook down for, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, then flip it. It's going to take about 40 minutes or so for those chicken thighs. So this unit does have a temperature probe. It says we're at about 130. Runs through. You got all kinds of Bluetooth ones you can get, but this one is wired. And I don't piece. Says we're at 151. So these are a little bit smaller. Probably going to be able to finish this up in about 10 minutes. It's only been about a half-hour cook, which is good. So everything's done, and to shut this off, just turn it down to smoke. This is going to stay lit. Fan's going to stay blowing until it cools off. So these are done tonight.